Hi everyone, this is Jarjar and welcome to my channel once again. It has been quite a while since I last cooked a meal. So today I just want to do a quick simple meal and it's going to be a fried squid together with some bean sprouts, some tomatoes, some chives, and not forgetting the salted vegetable and some chili. And to accompany that, I will fry some spring rolls as well. So it's going to be a very simple meal. This is what we're going to have for lunch later on. The ingredients that I have prepared. Okay, I shall start with the spring rolls. The oil is ready. I'm just going to do this over a small fire so that it will be crispy and golden brown without burning it. I'm going to start flipping them around. This process is going to take quite a while, so I won't be boring you with the whole process. I'll show you the end result later on. After numerous flipping of all the sides, it's now cooked and ready. I shall dish them out. They're all crispy and golden brown, so they are ready to be served in a while. After washing the pan and the oil is ready, I'm going to start off frying the chili and also the salted vegetables. I'm cooking the garlic this time around. The chili is immediately choking my throat and my nose. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm going to add the tomatoes as well. Let the tomato cook for a little while. Time to add the bean sprout. And the chives. You hear someone sneezing in the back end, it's because the fragrance of the chili and this whole concoction is making the person sneeze. If I'm cooking this dish for myself, this dish would have been completed by now because I like my vegetables a bit more raw. As this is for my mum, I will have to cook it a bit longer. Going to add a little bit of oyster sauce. And I'm going to add the squid right now. This has to be done pretty quickly so that the squid won't become rubbery. The squid has been seasoned with oyster sauce, with pepper, with sesame oil, and also the Chinese huatiao wine. squid should be cooked by now. That's about half a minute to 45 seconds. And I'm ready to serve the dish. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna turn off the fire. Okay, the dish is served. So here we are, a simple meal for lunch. Alright, fried spring roll with a squid dish with bean sprouts, tomatoes, salted vegetables. Simple meal. So it's time to eat. Yeah. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you will continue to follow my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.